Can you, in French?
Pouvez-vous?
Made easy. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to French. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and extras. Today you'll master a magic opener for polite requests. Can you? Equals.
Pouvez-vous?
Start with this key and doors open, literally. Quick rhyme to lock it in. When in a queue, be kind and true, start with.
Pouvez-vous?
Your goal today. Learn the polite form, the informal form, and the super polite conditional, plus use them in real lines. Polite present, to strangers or service staff.
Pouvez-vous?
Example. Can you help me with this?
Pouvez-vous m'aider avec ceci?
Informal, with friends.
Peux-tu?
Example. Can you open the door?
Peux-tu ouvrir la porte?
Polite conditional, extra courteous.
Pourriez-vous?
Example. Could you speak more slowly?
Pourriez-vous parler plus lentement?
Mini phrase bank.
Aider.
To help.
Ouvrir.
To open.
Montrer.
To show.
Trouver.
To find.
Parler lentement.
Speak slowly, and the magic please.
S'il vous plaît.
Mnemonic. Think, power you?
Pouvez-vous?
From the verb, pouvoir. PVV equals pouvez-vous. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Act it out with me, keep it friendly and clear. You, excuse me.
Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement, s'il vous plaît?
Server.
Bien sûr, que puis-je faire?
Sure, what can I do? You.
Pouvez-vous me montrer le chemin?
Can you show me the way? Server.
Oui, suivez-moi.
Yes, follow me. At the window you add.
Pouvez-vous ouvrir la fenêtre, s'il vous plaît?
Can you open the window, please? Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and ride the melody to remember it. Say it to a three-note loop. Pouvez-vous? Pouvez-vous? Then speak.
Pouvez-vous?
Mouth shape check in the mirror. Pouvez-vous? Smooth and smiley. Whisper, then speak out.
Pouvez-vous?
Flow tip. Link it to the verb quickly.
Pouvez-vous?
Plus.
Montrer. Ouvrir. Aider. Trouver.
Culture tip. Polite power. A tiny tweak makes a big difference. Use the respectful opener with a smile and small forward lean. Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, open palm, and say.
Pouvez-vous?
Add.
S'il vous plaît.
At the end for extra warmth. Spelling matters. Don't write it without the hyphen. Not, pouvez-vous, but.
Pouvez-vous?
Category of polite starters.
Pouvez-vous? Pourriez-vous?
Quick fire drills. Repeat after me, I'll cue you and leave a pause. Go for clear, calm delivery. Polite help. Can you help me with this?
Pouvez-vous m'aider avec ceci?
Directions. Can you show me the way?
Pouvez-vous me montrer le chemin?
Travel. Can you find the station?
Pouvez-vous trouver la gare?
Clarity. Can you speak more slowly?
Pouvez-vous parler plus lentement?
Air. Can you open the window, please?
Pouvez-vous ouvrir la fenêtre, s'il vous plaît?
Friend mode, informal. Can you open the door?
Peux-tu ouvrir la porte?
Extra polite. Could you speak more slowly?
Pourriez-vous parler plus lentement?
Speed quiz. Quick checks. Answer out loud. Question. How do you politely start a request in French? Answer.
Pouvez-vous?
Question. What's the informal version? Answer.
Peux-tu?
Question. Choose the extra polite conditional. Answer.
Pourriez-vous?
Spell check. True or false, omit the hyphen in.
Pouvez-vous?
Answer. False. Keep the hyphen.
Pouvez-vous?
Challenge and humor. Time to use it in the wild, make it memorable. Your challenge. Today, ask 3 real questions using
Pouvez-vous?
one with,
Montrer.
one with,
Ouvrir.
and one with.
Aider.
Humor boost. A talking baguette bows and says,
Pouvez-vous?
before opening the bakery door for you. If a baguette can be polite, so can we. Memory hook. At the entrance of your memory palace, a doorman greets you with,
Pouvez-vous?
unlock help wherever you go. Wrap up. Nice work, your politeness superpower just leveled up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Pouvez-vous? Peux-tu?
And,
Pourriez-vous?
with verbs like,
Aider. Ouvrir. Montrer. Trouver.
and.
Parler lentement.
For more lessons, tips, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.